So this is what a broken glove box handle looks like. To fix it, we need to carefully remove lock cylinder. Insert the key for those small metal pieces to retract. Cut thin metal sheet into small pieces. It will make the cylinder removal easier. Push it firmly out of the handle while keeping the key inside. Otherwise, all the small springs and metal pieces will fall apart and it will ruin your day. For the replacement part, check if you have proper left-hand drive or right-hand drive version. Snap in the barrel and check if you can turn the key freely. Use the fastening screw to form a thread. Screw it all the way in and out multiple times. To make the installation easier, lock the handle in this position. You will need another short Torx 15 screwdriver, not longer than 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Magnets will help to keep the screw on place or to extract it when it accidentally falls into the door body. Installation of the lock is easy, but fastening it on place takes some skill. Great! Now you can enjoy your new glove box compartment handle for your Volkswagen.